2011 Kubota U25, roughly around 6,000 pounds. Pretty good shape. Got a 12-inch bucket, 3 teeth on there. Seat needs to be replaced if you need one that's in better shape. It's just cracked up from being out in the sun. Been using it to do cedars and mesquites, rubbing them. It is missing the panel on that side. Out here working it today. It's got about, like I say, 2,400 and let's see how many hours. 67.7. I will still leave it up on YouTube just so people can do a price check. But right now it's for sale for $16,000. You need to get more information, you can go ahead and look it up on Dallas Craigslist. And I will remove it from Dallas Craigslist once it gets sold. I will mark it sold on YouTube. If y'all are interested in this, give me a holler, $16,000.